Eh?
Come on, better to the wall. Yeah, man, see right there.
Hello. Get a party dumpling.
Just watch your head and go in there. Yeah. Hey, I sure think this there. Hey, you have to send back some of those movie money and let me like.
From the England British Art Foundation.
Okay, for
You
real.
did it right.
Art Foundation. No, I never
You must look after the heart.
Okay.
And then on the face off.
Okay.
Yes.
Real, yes, man. Alright. Up here, some jive.
Alright.
Yo, I see it, man, yeah? Yes, sir.
They say my name for the dumpling. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
The British Art Foundation, they love with them vibration. They come with them sound advice. We can still season food nice. Chill though.
Yeah, man. Real.
Yes.
Reality, man. She says I interfere, yeah, that's what I say, yeah.
Let me say, party dumpling.
Yeah,
You must have your food in moderation.
Yeah.
Just say the heart is the seat of motivation.
Sure.
So no cause it moderation. But on the food when you are that salty, not it, not need to sprinkle over your cocoa when you're ready for it. Pimento, ginger, black pepper, curry under, scotch bonnet and thyme and red pepper, olive color and flavor. Praise Jehovah.
Yeah,
He is the Father, the provider, and the protector.
Yeah. You're a big singer, man. You have to give me some. You have to carry me in the studio to you, like, you know, like, you know, you say you like, you know, you know. You have 5 years, everything.
Yes.
It's everything. Fat.
Not fatty, I mean patty.
Patty
Patty dumpling, not fatty.
Not fatty, a patty, I said, you know. No, I said patty. I said patty, man. Patty dumpling. Yeah.
Pumpkin. So what going on Jamaica then?
Jamaica, thing nice, you know, we, you know. We only have to, we only want money here and work, you know. Everything alright, you know. Work and we have money and nothing can nice.
You have everything, the food that
The food
I'm
there,
after
no.
the breadfruit.
Me a farmer, you know.
Breadfruit in England.
Yeah.
5 pounds, 10 pounds for one piece of breadfruit. Yes.
What is for money?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And you know England, they don't get no sun. So we're dying. We're dying.
You have to go to the road. Some fair place.
Yes.
Can you give me some fair place? Not you, not you.
I tell you what I want to buy. I want to buy it. Where we can get a bottle of sunshine to take back. Where we get that?
You could get it.
Oh, we twist off the top and the sun come out.
Where you go?
Actually.
Where you go? I'm feeling.
What you done with them already, man?
More ready. Where's me then?
Can you give me some fair?
Then it's brown and they got the sun chest.
Yeah, Sanchez.
Sanchez.
Yeah, man, what's it?
Capleton.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
Capleton is my friend. He's my friend.
He's my friend.
I DJ and sing to him.
Is it?
Yeah, man. I need some break too. I want some bus stuff. I just nothing now go on, you know. Take care of him, man. When I see her, I say it's a spirit. It's a spiritual lady, you know.
Yes,
This lady is a spiritual. He's a artist. Can you see her? Maybe so we have watch your power show, not you? You do movie.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so you can do something for me because I'm a DJ and singer, you know.
What me got to feel?
Like, yeah, I mean, it's like Mr. says, official.
Yeah, alright. We must have an audition. Audition.
Yeah, but you know.
Yes, you can have one audition. It's hard, you can't take on everybody.
Take me on, man.
Like I said,
audition. Show and singer.
you must come with me now.
No.
Yes, and we go clock tower. We go to the clock tower.
May I come. Yeah, man, let me not see it. So you say me can come with you now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, man. I'm my uncle boss this. I just help him. Me no work on it. Nothing longer. Me tell you what.
Well, I tell you what I can do.
Yeah.
Me then in England,
Yeah.
a lot of people know me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I am on the face off.
Yeah.
And they put you on the face off.
Yeah.
But me must hear your voice first.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, put some tattoo for me now.
Right now?
Right now.
Alright. Yeah, hear me now? Alright, yeah.
Conscious spirit,
Alright,
man.
I
You
hear me.
understand what I mean?
Yeah,
No bad
conscious.
man slackly thing
No.
that go on.
Alright, hear me now. You have some people, you know. You don't have to do them nothing for them hate you, you know. And we burn out those type of people. So yeah, you want me to say now, because you don't know say I'm in here for self-flex, you know. Hey, on a mercy. Hey, yeah, you know. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing for yet you. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing you. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing for yet you. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing. You have a heap of people out there we don't like you. Enough for them out there where you don't like to. Don't hate them, you know, cause you know got no reason. But you can't like a one if a one not like you. No for them no like you for no reason. You don't have to cuss them or ever do them. With them no like you. Say them spirit can't take you. Sometimes you have to wonder to yourself what you do. Original myself, yes. Yeah.